Imagine a device so unbelievably compact that it can disappear into the corner of your desk, yet powerful enough to outperform desktop towers that cost thousands of dollars. For decades, the computer industry operated under one simple belief. True performance required massive hardware, giant cooling systems, loud fans, and a bulky machine sitting under your desk collecting dust. If you wanted professional-grade editing, gaming-level graphics power, AI processing, or advanced multitasking, you were expected to sacrifice space, silence, and energy efficiency. But in 2026, Apple completely shattered that expectation with the Mac Mini M5, a machine that is redefining the future of desktop computing in a way nobody thought possible. The Mac Mini M5 is not just another yearly refresh. It represents a fundamental shift in how computers are designed and how users interact with technology. Apple has spent years refining its Apple Silicon chips, starting with the revolutionary M1, which shocked the tech world by delivering incredible efficiency and performance in a compact design. The M2 improved upon that formula with more stability and power, while the M4 pushed artificial intelligence capabilities to an entirely new level. But the M5 is different. The M5 feels like the moment Apple finally stopped competing with traditional PCs and started creating an entirely new category of computing. Built on a second-generation 2-nanometer process, the M5 chip packs an astonishing number of transistors into an unbelievably tiny area. The engineering behind it almost sounds impossible. Every generation of chips becomes harder to manufacture because the components are approaching atomic scale, yet Apple somehow continues pushing forward. This advanced architecture allows the Mac Mini M5 to deliver insane performance while using far less power than conventional desktop systems. That means less heat, quieter operation, and dramatically faster workflows without requiring a giant cooling setup. What truly makes the M5 Mac Mini important is that Apple finally eliminated the compromises that frustrated users for years. For a long time, entry-level Macs felt intentionally limited. Paying premium prices for only 8 GB of RAM and 256 GB of storage became one of the most criticized aspects of Apple's lineup. But with the M5 generation, Apple appears to understand that the modern era of computing demands more power at the baseline level. The rumored standard configuration of 16 GB unified memory and 512 GB SSD storage instantly transforms the base Mac Mini into a professional-grade machine instead of a starter device. This change matters because modern workflows are evolving faster than ever before. Artificial intelligence tools are becoming integrated into everything we do. People are no longer using computers just to browse websites or write documents. Students are generating research summaries in seconds. Video creators are editing cinematic 4K footage directly from their desks. Businesses are automating workflows with AI-powered software. Developers are using machine learning tools to generate and debug code. Designers are creating high-resolution artwork using generative AI systems. All of these tasks require massive computing power, especially when processed locally for privacy and speed. That is exactly where the M5 becomes revolutionary. Apple reportedly redesigned the neural engine with 16 cores dedicated specifically to artificial intelligence operations. Combined with advanced GPU accelerators built into every graphics core, the Mac Mini M5 essentially becomes a tiny AI workstation capable of handling demanding tasks without depending entirely on cloud servers. This is a major shift because local AI processing means your personal information, creative projects, and sensitive files remain on your device instead of being constantly uploaded online. The physical design of the Mac Mini M5 is also generating enormous excitement. Reports suggest Apple has engineered an even thinner and smaller chassis, reducing the size by nearly 30% compared to previous generations. Despite its ultra-compact body, Apple has reportedly developed a sophisticated dual-path thermal cooling system that keeps temperatures under control without creating excessive noise. Imagine editing a massive 4K video project, rendering complex animations, or multitasking across dozens of applications while barely hearing the fan spin. That level of silent performance feels futuristic even by today's standards. Another massive upgrade expected in the Mac Mini M5 Pro version is Thunderbolt 5 connectivity. This technology dramatically increases transfer speeds up to 120 gigabits per second, opening the door for incredibly advanced desk setups. With a single cable, users could potentially connect multiple 6K monitors, ultra-fast storage drives, professional audio systems, and high-speed networking accessories simultaneously. It simplifies everything. The dream of a clean, minimalist workspace with one cable powering an entire professional setup is finally becoming reality. This obsession with minimalism is especially appealing to users across the United States, where modern desk setups have become part of personal identity and productivity culture. People want clean spaces, wireless environments, quiet machines, and technology that blends naturally into everyday life. The Mac Mini M5 perfectly fits that vision. It delivers workstation-level performance in a form factor small enough to almost disappear, while remaining powerful enough to handle creative work, AI tasks, entertainment, coding, and professional production workloads without compromise. The reason traditional PC manufacturers are nervous is simple. Apple is proving that raw performance no longer requires enormous hardware. The Mac Mini M5 challenges decades of assumptions about desktop computing. It demonstrates that efficiency, silence, compactness, and extreme power can coexist in one machine. For many users, this tiny silver box may become the first desktop computer that truly feels like technology from the future, rather than an upgraded version of the past.